Okay, using True Space 5, I'm going to show you guys how to make a rook chess piece. First, you're going to click over here and get a cylinder. It doesn't matter how big you make it because you're going to right click on this white arrow down here. And in the object info box, you're going to make sure that everything in your location, X, Y, and Z is all 0. So your object's right in the middle of the screen, makes things a lot easier to work with. And then your size, you can make it about 7. I mean, you guys can make it whatever you want. And we'll make it 1 thick. Alright, and then you're going to come over and you're going to grab another cylinder. Once again, make sure everything's right in the middle so you can work with it. And then you're going to come over to the size. We'll make this about 10. And we'll make it maybe 2.5 thick. And then in the Z column, I mean, you can click over here and make it a little bit thicker so it sits right on top. So we'll do like 1.7. Then you're going to take a sphere. Still, it doesn't matter because you're just going to size it down. Make sure it's right in the middle of your screen. We'll make it 7. We'll make it the same as what your bottom object is. And we'll make it maybe 4. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click, you're going to bring it up. There you go. So you can see it. Yeah, I mean, you don't want it sticking out at the bottom or anything. So you can make it maybe just about like right there, halfway down. Make sure everything's still 0, right in the middle in your location box. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click your middle object, come down to the subtraction object thing, and you make sure everything's clicked just like this. You don't want to keep your drill. So you're going to click on your object subtraction tool. You're going to click the bowl, and then you can look around. You don't want to move your object, just want to look around it. So see, you got your circle and you're almost done. Then all you got to do is make your drill. So you're going to make a box, make sure everything's 0 so it's right in the middle.
Hey guys, can I have Miss St. Lawrence class's attention, please?
And then your size, we'll do maybe 13. Oh, well no, we'll make it 1. And then your Y needs to be 13 so that it's, you can see over each side. And then this one doesn't really matter. I mean, you don't want it to be huge. I mean, you could make it 1 just as the thickness, but I'm going to keep mine at 2. And then I'm going to come over here and you can click your object. You're going to move it up so you can see on the side how deep you want it to be, how deep your divot should be. So I'll leave mine about right there and make sure everything is still 0. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the booleans box and you're going to keep your drill and you're going to unmark the rest. Then you're going to go back to click in your middle box. Click in your middle box. And then you're going to click the object subtraction tool and click. Here, we'll try and rotate it sometimes. If you have too many faces, it doesn't like it. So we'll try that again. Object subtraction tool, click in the top. See, there you go. And then we'll click the top part and we'll rotate it 90 degrees. So now when you go to subtract it again, oh, we don't want to subtract that object. We want to subtract the top one. So we'll come over here, subtract it. There we go. And now when we click on our top box, you should be able to see your object. There you go. You have your rook chess piece.